My name is Keyia Yalcin, and I am the owner of Fishnet. Fishnet is a food truck, and it's also a restaurant. Today on the menu, we're serving up blue catfish tacos. As you know, blue catfish is an invasive species here in Maryland, but at Fishnet, we cook them into the best grilled tacos that you'll ever have. First, we start with fresh blue catfish. Put a little salt, pepper on it. We slice it, your oil of choice, and then we put it on the grill. Now, you don't need long to grill fresh fish. About 2 to 3 minutes on each side, just until it's tender on the inside. Next, we make our coleslaw. To make our fresh citrus-based coleslaw, we start by cutting up cabbage, carrots, and some fresh cilantro. You mix them together, add some lime juice, your oil of choice, and a little salt and pepper to taste. In order to make our crispy tortillas, we just heat the tortillas on the grill, but at home, you can just stick them in the oven for a few minutes until they're nice and crisp. In order to make our garlic sour cream, we start by taking sour cream, dicing up some fresh garlic, adding a little salt and pepper, mixing it, and letting it sit for a few minutes. This will make a nice garlicky sour cream to top our grilled catfish tacos.